So, reminder lang ha. Ang process ng pagkuha ng derivative ng isang function ay differentiation, hindi derivation. Okay? Differentiation. Kaya tinatawag natin itong differentiation rule. Okay? So, sa inyong reviewer, meron tayong mga nakalagay na rule. Let's start with constant rule. Okay? Ito ang magiging emphasis natin ha. Okay, punta muna tayo sa constant rule. Constant rule. Okay. Ang derivative ay operation siya. So, ginagamit natin d over dx or dy over dx. Or kung meron tayong function, sinusulat natin ay y prime or f prime of x. Pag may nakita kayong ganyan, ibig sabihin yan derivative. Okay? Yan, may given kang y. Tapos may nakita kang ganyang y prime. Ibig sabihin, kukunin mo yung derivative nito ni y. Ito ang ibig sabihin yan, derivative. Okay? So, let's start with constant rule. Sinasabi niyan daw, kapag meron ka daw function na constant, example, 5, any number. Any number na to, basta number lang, walang variable, ang sagot lagi dito ay 0. The derivative of any constant is always 0. What is the derivative of negative 7? The answer is 0. Okay? That is constant rule. Okay? Example, y is equal to 7. What is y prime? The answer is 0. Okay? Tapos sa constant rule, let's proceed on the second part, which is the power rule. Okay? Number 2, power rule. Pag sinabi natin power rule, okay, ito na yung merong n, x raised to n. Okay? Ang derivative daw ng x raised to n ay, bababa natin si n, copy natin si x, tapos n minus 1. Example, d over dx ng x raised to 4. Process yan. Anong n natin? 4. Okay? So, magiging 4. Copy natin si variable x. Tapos 4 minus 1. So, magiging 4x cubed. Pinakamadaling paraan lang ganito gagawin nyo. Ibababa ko lang si 4. Copy ko sa variable. 4 minus 1. 3. Yan lang yung 4x cubed. Okay? Yan lang po yung power rule. Next, let's proceed on constant multiple rule. Okay, we have constant multiple rule. So, paano naman tong constant multiple rule? Pag meron daw tayong form na, example ko na to, ako gagawa ng example, a x raised to n, okay? Paano kukunin yung derivative nito? Okay? Gagawin lang natin, ibababa natin si n, mumultiply sa a, tapos x, n minus 1. Okay? Parang katulad lang ng, ng power rule. Example, 3x raised to 7. Bababa ko sa 7, i-multiply ko sa 3, x, 7 minus 1, 7 times 3, 21, x raised to 6. Ganun lang siya. Okay? Ganun siya. Ngayon, kapag may nakita kang problem, example, what is the derivative of 3x squared plus 6x minus 1? Okay? Okay. So, paano ngayon yan? So, iisa-isahin mo ngayon yan. Kukunin mo yung derivative ng bawat isa. Anong derivative ng 3x squared? Bababa ko si 2. 2 times 3x, 2 minus 1. Yan. Plus, ano ang power ng x? Di ba 1? So, magiging 1 times 6x, 1 minus 1. Anong derivative ng negative 1? Di ba 0? Kasi pag-add mo lang yan. 2 times 3, 6x raised to 1 plus 1 times 6, 6. 1 minus 1, so magiging x raised to 0. Any number raised to 0 is just multiply by 1 or equals to 1 plus 0. So, 6x plus 6. Or, ganito nyo lang isipin. Kapag may nakita kayong 7x, example lang the answer is 7. Tatanggalin nyo lang sa x. Derivative of 3x, the answer is 3. So, in short, ito, 3x squared, so magiging 6x. Itong 6x magiging 6. Itong negative 1 magiging 0 kasi the derivative of any constant is equals 0. Okay, balikan natin yung problem natin kanina. Naalala niyo to? Right. Anong derivative ng x squared? We have 2x. Anong derivative ng 3x? Plus 3. Anong derivative ng, ng 1? 0. So, ito yung magiging basis natin. Ito na yung y prime natin. Anong value ng x natin kanina? We have x equals 2. Ito, oh. So, direct substitution lang. When x is equal to 2, y prime is equal to y sub 2, sorry, magiging 2 times 2 plus 3. Y prime is equal to 4. Sorry, 7. Check nyo nga kung tama. Book. Parehas na lumabas. Okay? So, mag-review lang kayo dyan. Mag-ano lang kayo, mag-practice lang kayo na mag-practice. Okay. Next, let's proceed on the next rule. Okay? Ang next rule natin is sum and difference. Ayun na yung example ng sum and difference. Doon tayo sa product rule. Okay. Dito tayo magkakaroon ng ayan. So, bibigyan ko ng example. Ito naman sa product rule. D over dx ng 3x plus 1 tapos 2x minus 4. Okay? Tapos, close. Yan. Okay. Question ko, ilang terms ang nakikita nyo dyan? Sorry, dahil product rule tayo, ilang factor ang nakikita nyo dyan? So, we have 1, 2. Okay? Instead ng 1, 2, palitan natin ang pangalan. Gawin natin tong u, tapos ito naman ay v. Sabi dyan, di ba naalala nyo pag nilagyan ko ng prime, ibig sabihin derivative? Okay? So, mangyayari dyan, ang formula natin lang dyan is u prime b plus uv prime or pwedeng or ub prime plus u prime b. It's either of the two. Okay lang naman. Gamitin natin tong formula tong una. Okay. Ano ibig sabihin ng u prime is derivative ng u? So, ilista muna natin. Ang value ng u natin ay 3x plus 1. Ano ang u prime natin? We have, anong derivative ng 3x? 3 na lang. Anong derivative ng 1? 0. So, u prime natin ay 3. Next, ano ang v natin? 2x minus 4. Anong v prime natin? 2. Kasi 4 naman, 0 naman. Sulat na natin. What is u prime? 3 multiplied by 2x minus 4. Okay? Plus, ano ang u natin? 3x plus 1. B prime. 2. Then, distribute. 6x minus 12 plus 6x plus 2. So, magiging 12x, copy ko lang itong 6x plus 6x, negative 2 plus 2, negative 10. This is the answer. Okay? This is y prime. Okay. So, kayo na bahala kung gusto mag-practice. Hanap na lang kayo sa book. Okay, 12x minus 10. So, paano ko ma-check kung tama ba yan? E di multiply ko. Try ko lang i-multiply ha. 3x plus 1 multiply by 2x minus 4. 6x squared plus 2x minus 12x minus 4. 6x squared minus 10x minus 4. Derivative ng 6x squared, 12x. Derivative ng negative 10x, negative 10. So, makita niyo, pag kinuha ko yung derivative na ito, ang lalabas ay ito.